Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add Matter devices to Apple HomeKit in 2026. Now, this particular setup allows you to control the smart devices from different brands in one place. So, to add the Matter devices, you will need an iPhone with the latest iOS and supported smart device. So, first of all, you need to make sure that your home application is also updated and you are signed in to iCloud. Also, keep the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi turned on. So now that you have set it up and now that you have everything ready, you need to simply open your Apple Home application on your phone. Now tap on the plus icon on the top right hand corner of the screen so that it could show you these types of options in front of you. Now among these options, simply tap on the option of add accessories. Now on the next page, you need to choose the option for Matter device if it appears. Your Matter device will come with a QR code or the setup code. So you can use that particular iPhone camera in order to scan that particular code inside the home application. This connects the device securely without needing any other application. Afterwards, you just have to basically follow further on-screen instructions in order to set it up properly. Simply assign the device to a room and give it a name. This is going to help you control it easily with voice or the application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.